So today was for the pharmaceutical stock like VTTX jumped 63%. When the market opened on our live streaming, the price broke from this level where we hunted for it around the 1275 and we took our first profit around the 1370 and we set the second profit taken and resistant around the 1454. That's why the price accumulated down, went down again. When we finish our live streaming, we enter again around the 1454 where we said there's a breakout zone. Now the price is accumulating above the 1454. So we're going to discuss if there's potential profit taken and potential squeeze once again for VTTX. Next up we got ORSC. The price is jumping over the 85% and we spot this stock around the $6 and we said the price will jump almost the $7, got rejected and went down once again. We're going to discuss if there's potential squeeze for the stock. Next up we got Silvergate. Yeah, we don't have like good reaction for today because the price is still below the $2.45. The next one we got PRTS jumping near the 20 cent, which is the squeeze area. The price is about to squeeze. FRC went down toward our box above the $13 and still holding. Let me just check. Yeah, Baba is doing all right. The price actually jumped up from the 97, which is the breakout zone. We might see the 101 price target for Baba because we got great news regarding fundamental wise. That's why the price actually jumping. So let's get right to it and discuss first stock on our list, which is VTTX. So the price is still jumping and still holding above the 1454, which is our breakout zone for VTTX. So we have to watch out for this support and the squeeze area around the 1518, which is the next breakout zone. After we break this level of resistance, we're going to go toward the 1645 and there's other profit taken. We're going to discuss it after we break this level of profit taken. So this is kind of frustrating because a lot of hunters on our live streaming have a struggle to buy when we have a breakout zone. We have this kind of fake out. You see what's happened here? The price broke our resistance but didn't close above. That's why the price went down. That's why we have to be extremely careful and patient. We don't have to push the trade because if the stock is not ready to jump, why we buy? Because the market maker is not buying. This retail trader buying, FOMO price buying. That's why we have to wait for confirmation for entry. ORSC or OSCR, the price still continue to go higher and still holding the 75% gain that we did today. The volume is not bad, 56 million, and we jumped because we got great news fundamentally. We got a new CEO and still holding above the $6. So the $6 for ORSC will be a confirmation for strength and continue wait to higher price. And the level of resistance that we have to watch out for is the $6.60, which is around this orange line. We're going to discuss the stock chart analysis update. We already did chart analysis update for the ultimate profit taken for ORSC on our Discord and on our Patreon, of course. This one will be on our list for tomorrow in pre-market because it's not over yet. Because if we're still holding the $6, it means there's a game on for tomorrow market. Silvergate, as we said, got rejected this time below the $2.45 and this is a sign of weakness. So now we expect the price to go lower once again. If we broke this AMA, we're going to have the price continue wait down toward the $1.60. And here, I will wait until I see accumulation because if we don't hold the $1.60, it means a sell-off. If we held it, it means accumulation and then continue to go higher to test the $2.45. So now is kind of risky because we don't have a strength. The next time we break the $2.45 will be a game on for Silvergate to go toward the $2.80 for profit taking. Next up we got PRTS. The price is still rejected around the 2078. This one should be in our watch list for tomorrow pre-market because today we gapped, we held above the 16, which was our resistance in the last video that we talked about PRTS. Now it's our support and there's potential a break for the 2078. So the game plan as follows. If we have a pre-market gap over the 2078, we're going to do a pre-market update as usual for PRTS for confirmation for new support and new resistance and new profit taking. If we open below the 16 as well, we have to do another update for a new support for PRTS. Now waiting for confirmation. We don't have the confirmation yet. For FRC or First Republic Bank, now we visiting an important support around the $13. As we said before, the $11.78 is due selling pressure for FRC and another gap down like happened before, 60% or 50% if we don't hold the $11.78. Continue to go higher and breaking the $13.50, then going toward the $15. Next up we got on our list BABA. So for the price for BABA is looking really good. We pumped and we did a really great gap here around the 88. The price is still holding, and we got the test around the 97. Now we had a breakout from the 97 and going where toward the 100. We're gonna have a test first below the 100 around the 99. If we broke without any rejection, continuation toward the 101 and beyond for BABA. We're gonna do of course chart analysis update for BABA after we hit the 101 and beyond. Of course we're gonna do tomorrow live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time, and pre-market update for Oscar stock, and the other one of course, let me just check, VTTX. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.